Hello, I'm Captain AHS. Hey team, ever thought about how to keep your computer in tip-top shape? Let's find out together.
What happened, Saro? Why are you so sad?
Why is my computer so slow today? And the keys are all sticky.
Looks like your computer's having a tough time, Saro. Maybe it's because your computer is dirty and messy.
Is it possible for my computer to slow down just because it's messy or dirty?
Well, if your computer's dirty, it can cause problems. Dust and crumbs can get stuck in the keys, and sticky hands can smudge the screen. Just like us, computers work better when they're clean.
Oh, so taking care of my computer means keeping it clean?
Exactly. A soft cloth to wipe the screen and surface area like this and clean your hands before using it can make a big difference. Let's clean it up and see how it works after.
Wow, it feels much better now. Mama. The tablet's screen has these weird marks, and it's hard to draw.
Looks like some sticky fingerprints. Have you been drawing with dirty hands?
Maybe a little.
That's why the screen is smudgy. Clean hands mean a clean screen. Let's wipe it, and it'll be good as new.
Wow, thanks, Mom! I'll keep my hands clean from now on. No more smudges!
Yes, it's necessary to keep your tablet clean, just like the kid on TV cleaned his tablet.
I understand your perspective now. Hey Hasib, don't you think your computer could use a break too?
It's fine, Dua. I've been careful with it.
Sure, but leaving it on all the time can overheat it. And drinks near your computer, not a good idea.
Oh, I didn't think about that. So, I should turn it off sometimes and keep drinks far away.
Exactly. Turning it off when you're done and keeping liquids away will protect it from damage.
Good point, Dua. I'll be more careful now.
Looks like everyone's learned something important today. Taking care of our computers will make them last longer and work better.
Yep, I'll always keep mine clean. And I'll use clean hands when I draw.
I'll turn mine off and keep my drinks far away.
Sounds like we're all going to be computer caretakers.
What about next time? What are we going to talk about?
I've heard something important is coming up, about staying safe while using the internet.
Wow, that sounds very informative. I can't wait.
Time for a quick check. Let's see what you know about taking care of your computer. Ready? Let's start! Which item can be used to clean your computer? Options: A. Soft cloth. B. Car wiper. The correct answer is a soft cloth. What should you avoid near your computer? Options: A. Food and drinks. B. Screen cleaner. The correct answer is a food and drinks. Which picture shows safe computer usage with no drinks nearby? The correct answer is A. It's okay to leave sticky fingers on a tablet screen. Options: A. True. B. False. The correct answer is A. True. What helps keep your computer safe and working for a long time? The correct answer is a clean your computer. Great job, team! Next time, we'll discover how to stay safe while using the internet. See you then!